So you need to purchase an electric, or mixture, car to practice environmental safety, and do your part to save the planet. Congrats, and bravo! Regularly when individuals talk about purchasing an electric car, they're thinking as far as the Chevy Volt, or the Nissan Leaf. Cars that are reachable for people making a normal compensation. Yet imagine a scenario in which cash were no article. All things considered, your alternatives go up, as does the nature of the car. We chose to investigate what the most cash can purchase in the EV, electric car, market. Here are the most costly electric cars in 2016. The Tesla Model S, $115,000. No rundown of very good quality electrics would be finished without a section by the Flow business pioneer, Tesla. Truth be told, two of the cars recorded here are from Elon Musk's organization. The Model S is the 4 entryway family car. Accordingly, its speed increase is essentially not exactly the Roadster, which was Elon Musk's first plan. All things being equal, would you be able to envision a family car going from 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds? That may be delayed by execution car guidelines, however it's inconceivable in the family market. All that, and the car gets an amazing 300 miles for every charge, and has a quick charging port so that it's prepared to drive at whatever point you need it. The BMW i8, $136,500. This fabulous-looking passage from BMW is a mixture gas-electric, so it's actually got the ICE, inward-burning motor, with a help from EV innovation, which gives it a faltering assessed 76 mpg in spite of the way that it's pressing a noteworthy 228 horsepower motor. You'll discover all that you'd hope to discover in a BMW in this contribution. Things like anti-lock brakes, side seat airbags, traveler knee air sacs, complete with inhabitant sensor, so they don't fire except if they need to, 20 inches aluminum wheels, and that is notwithstanding the lithium particle battery exhibit the car sports. In case you're keen on EV innovation, however need to make a half stride, and are searching for something in the extravagance market, then, at that point the BMW is a phenomenal decision. Quite possibly the most diligent protests about so many of the other crossbreed cars available is one of feel. Regularly these cars simply don't look generally excellent. Truth be told, they look square-shaped and awkward. None of the cars on this rundown experience the ill effects of that issue, and BMW's i8 conveys both style and execution, settling on it a brilliant decision for the individuals who need extravagance, however don't have any desire to go through their time on Earth reserve funds to get it. The Tesla Model X, $140,000. The Tesla X SUV, with every one of the extravagant accessories, tips the scales at a weighty $140,000, which is more than certain individuals spend on the home that they live in. This car may resemble a family car outwardly with its appropriate 4 entryways and a lot of space for travelers. However, in the engine, it has the very pulsating heart of the beast that made Tesla a commonly recognized name. The body is lightweight, built-up aluminum, and it has a wheelbase of 116.7. 3 lines for seating, albeit the back line can get somewhat confined, with just 32.7 of room to breathe, and it can do 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. The Lightning GT, $239,000. We'd be amazed on the off chance that you've at any point known about the Lightning car organization. All things considered, they are just wanting to fabricate 2 or 3 dozen of their custom machines this year, the Lightning GT being one of them. With smooth lines and twin 150 kilowatts back-mounted engines, this all-electric miracle can hit 60 miles per hour in 4 seconds level, and in the event that you run it full out, can arrive at velocities of up to 200 miles each hour. Save yours today, for the low cost of just $239,000. The Porche 918 Spyder, $929,000. With a rundown cost of $929,000, this car was planned considering the insightful driver. The 918 Spyder is a mixture car, so it has both an inner ignition motor with a monstrous 608 horsepower, a 7-speed auto-shift manual transmission, amazing 20 inches magnesium wheels, and then some. As such, its beginning and end you might at any point need or expect in an elite games car, and then some. More, since it's additionally got an amicable green side, with its onboard battery framework and quick charging port. The Rimac Idea One, $980,000. Scheduled to cost around $980,000, this is clearly not a car for just anybody. Then again, on the off chance that you have a requirement for speed, The Idea One will be one of just a not many organizations that can brag about beating the strong Tesla, speeding up from 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. Its maximum velocity is electronically restricted at 190 miles per hour. However, for however much you'll pay for the delight of driving one, they'd certainly eliminate such bothersome limitations for slightly more. With a carbon fiber body, custom calfskin inside and a handmade scramble, it has all the stylish you need in a supercar too. Asterisk note that there are various intriguing-looking execution EVs on the planning phase. This civility of a few new electric car producing new businesses that have framed lately because of the staggering interest in ubiquity. These, be that as it may, are as yet in the prototyping stage, so we couldn't officially put them on this rundown. All things considered, noteworthy notices to the people at Faraday Future and Atieva, both of whom will almost certainly have cars on our rundown as they draw nearer to creation. Asterisk some perusers might be shocked not to see the now well-known Tesla Roadster on our rundown. That is on the grounds that the car isn't in the creation lineup for 2016. The Roadster is currently quite a long while old now, and Elon Musk settled on the choice to stop creation and absolutely upgrade it. Never dread, however, the Roadster is scheduled to make its return in 2020.